Congratulations on making it to the end of level 1. You're in 1D. Oh my goodness, so exciting. So you have gone through all the stuff in this level, and so now you're ready for your formative assessment. I mentioned this before, but remember formative assessments, these are kind of like quizzes. So this is your check-in to see how well did you understand level 1 material. If you notice, it says, only begin your assessment if you have mastered this level's information. So if you need to go back and take a refresher on something, maybe you don't remember the color rules or something about the tracking page, or maybe you forgot something in 1A, feel free to go back and take a look or flip through your packet. But if you think you've got it, then your job now is to go on to the formative assessment. So here's what you do. In the back of the room, there are drawers labeled Math 6 or Math A Level 1 Formative Assessment. Okay, they're labeled either in blue if you're Math A, yellow if you're Math 6. So go back there, and in the top drawer, there will be a Level 1 Formative Assessment. You just take one. However, before you do this, you're going to want to look at this how to take a formative assessment rules. So I'll go over it real quick, but you can look at it on your own too. You have a couple things to do when you're preparing for an assessment, because this is what we need to take very seriously to check our understanding. Even though formative assessments don't go towards our grade, we still want to make sure we're taking them seriously and we're using them to check our understanding. Okay, very important checkpoint here. So when you're ready, you need to follow the following tasks to get going on your formative assessment. Step 1 is to make sure you've completed all tasks in the level as needed. So remember, there are some things you can move through faster than others. So make sure you've done that. Go ahead and pack up. So that means put away all your materials except for a pencil, right? Just like you would for a quiz or a test. You want to get ready for that. Notify those around you, because remember, we have flexible seating, so you are not necessarily sitting there and at a desk, and people are also not necessarily taking assessments around you. So you want to notify them that you are taking an assessment. The other thing I want to add to this is we are going to have the rule of you need to be at a table. Okay, you can't be on the floor. You could be at a standing desk, but you need to be at a table when you are taking your assessment. It's just another cue to tell people that you're focused on an assessment, okay? Not that you can't sit at a table other times, but particularly during an assessment. You want to ask them to not talk to you during this time, because when you talk during an assessment, that will result in a caution log signing, right? We want to still take it seriously. Even though we aren't all doing it at the same time, you need to focus during this time. The other thing you'll need is to grab a privacy folder there in the red basket on top of where the level formative assessments are, or if you're in Math A, it's next to. So grab one of those as well. It's another signal to show people around you, as well as for me to understand, and helps you to focus that you're taking an assessment, so don't talk to you right now. Don't forget to take a deep breath, relax, and then you can go get your level 1 formative assessment. You can do that when you're getting your privacy folder, and you know you've got this, so good luck, okay? Feel free to look over this again, and if you have any questions, change your tracking page color. Otherwise, get going on that level 1 formative assessment. You got it!